Hey there, Ingafay here. Super excited to be here with you all today, and we are going to talk about another best-selling product. It is the Timewise Repair Miracle Set. Have you tried this before? If not, it's an exceptional product, and I'm really excited to share this with you today. So first and foremost, who is the Timewise Repair Set for? Ideally, the Timewise Repair Set is for the more interesting folks, the people that have been on this earth longer than most. And these are folks that are 40 and up. However, I have also found that the younger generation is loving these products as well because it has the latest and greatest anti-aging ingredients in it. So as a young person, they want to use it while they're still young because they want to look as young as they can for as long as they can. And I get that, girlfriend. But what we're going to do today is we're going to go over the set, talk about how to actually apply it, and then some reviews that people have said about the set. Okay? All right, so like I've already told you who this product is for, now let's talk about the actual products in the set. The set has 5 pieces. First and foremost is the cleanser. We definitely want to cleanse our face twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. The lather that you get from this cleanser is phenomenal. So if you're really looking for a cleanser that's going to remove the impurities of the day, the sweat, as well as your makeup, this is definitely going to do that with the foaming cleanser because it foams up really well, as you can see as I'm cleansing my face here. So try this. Like I said, this product is typically for people that have normal to dry skin. If you have oily skin, I can tell you from experience, this is really not for you because what this product does is actually puts moisture back in your skin. Like I said earlier, it is for people that are of the older persuasion. Well, I hate to say older persuasion. I would just say more interesting because they've been on this earth longer. And as a result of that, typically they are suffering from deep lines and wrinkles. And how do you remedy that? You give moisture. And when you're oily, we don't need moisture. We already have our natural moisture. So that's just something to consider. If you have oily skin, this is probably not the product for you. Now, after you use your cleanser, like I said, you do it twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. Then you follow up with the lifting serum. This lifting serum is the bomb.com because this is going to basically lift your skin, rejuvenate your skin, give your skin more of that youthful appearance. So if you're looking for a product that would do that, this lifting serum is it. You use it twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. And it is applied after you pat your face dry, you put on your serum. Why do you put it on at this particular time? Because this serum is the closest to your face, your actual skin. And this is really what's going to help rejuvenate your skin and fill in those deep lines and wrinkles. Because at this point, this is more of advanced signs of aging when you use this product. Now, the next 2 products are depending on the time of day that you are applying them. Of course, in the morning, you're going to use the daytime cream. It has an SPF of 30 and it protects your skin from the harmful UVA and UVB rays. So you're putting this on after your serum in the morning. However, if you are using this system at night, you are going to use the nighttime cream, and this has retinol in it. So it's very imperative that when you go to bed at night, you put this on. It's going to rejuvenate your skin while you sleep. But when you wake up in the morning, girlfriend, you definitely have to make sure that you wash this product off. You may ask, why is that important? It's really important because if you go out in the sun, it is going to literally burn your skin. I had a girlfriend of mine that was on, her and her husband were on vacation and they were just they got a room on the beach. There was a hotel right off the beach. So they were just taking it all in. They woke up really early in the morning and they just wanted to take that peaceful walk along the beach while they were on vacay. And she forgot to wash this off before she went out. And her face it turned so red because of the retinol. That's why I'm telling you, it is imperative that you wash this off before you have any kind of exposure to the sun. So make sure that you do that, okay? So those are 4 of the 5. So you cleanse your face twice a day. So you cleanse your face, just reviewing. You put this lifting serum on your face after you pat your face dry after the cleanser. Depending on the time of day, you're going to do the daytime solution in the morning and the nighttime solution at night. And then last but definitely not least, girl, what are the first signs of aging that can just give your age away? It's your eyes, right around your eyes. You have those crow's feet. You may even have those fine lines and wrinkles from your smile because you've been around longer. You're more interesting than those younger folk just been here a short time. And as a result of that, you want to make sure that you have this eye cream. Now, the thing about it, I love this eye cream. It has the little roller in it, so you're really able to get up under your eyes. Now, the one thing about this eye cream is eye cream has a tendency to creep up. So as a result of that, you don't want to go as high on the eye cream. I mean, you want to go around your eyes and around right up under your brow to put it on, but you have to realize that the eye cream will creep up. So with that said, make sure that you don't come really, really close to your eyes because it's gonna burn. Okay, so make sure you don't do that. So like I said, this is the Timewise Repair Set for the more interesting folks or the folks that really want to have the latest and greatest skincare system in their repertoire. So let's find out what the folks are saying about this product. So there are 68 reviews currently at this time of me recording, and it has a solid 5 stars, you all. We have a review from Kathy, and she said that she bought the Senior Revive kit 2 weeks ago, and she absolutely loves it. So this is she calls it the Senior Revive kit. This is the set that she is using, and she would highly recommend it to a friend. And then we have Terry, and she says, my skin is older, she's 69, and I've worked hard to keep it in the best condition as it can be. I've used this system now for a week, and I can already see the difference, having smoother, softer, and less lines, less fine lines. So there it is, ladies. 2 ladies right here, and really 68 ladies have ranked this 5 stars. Majority have ranked these 5-star, and then there are a couple of that have 4. But this is the product if you're looking for something that's going to, as she said, smooth out her fine lines and wrinkles. This is definitely the product for you. So I can't wait to hear what you think of it. And as always, just reach out to me. We can do what's called a skin analyzer that can really let you know exactly what's going on with your skin. It'll even give you product recommendations. I'm going to put that link down in the description. So if you're looking to actually find out what products would be best for you and your particular, where your skin is at this particular time, that would definitely tell you exactly what you need. Or you can just say, hey, based on what these ladies have already said and what Inga's just told me, I think I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna get this set. Yes, you are welcome to do that. All of our products are 100% guaranteed. And I'm here with you to help you in your journey, to help you find products that really will let you rock your uniqueness and get the results that you want. So as always, thanks for watching. Share this with 3 girlfriends, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.